Nice to meet you. My name is Nakidoni. Good.
What grade are you in at your school?
I'm Duam Elementary School.
And what grade? First grade, second grade, third grade, and fourth grade? 몇 학년? I'm in the fifth grade.
Fifth grade.
Okay, I see. So I'm going to talk about
I'm going to tell the story.
rain. Okay, next.
Rain is important for all living things.
What does it made of?
Rain is made up of tiny drops of water.
Where does it come from?
The drops of water fall from the clouds. Some rainwater returns clouds
Why does it return to the clouds?
because of evaporation. Rain makes rivers and lakes fill up with water. Rain gives people and animals water to drink.
And what does rain do for the plant?
Rain makes plants grow.
What does rain do to our world? Rain makes
Good things happen to our world.
Okay, great job. Thank you for
Thank you for listening.
good job.